Hello there folks, and welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. We're going to throw some classics in the mix today as well. What have I got for you? It's a 1979 Honda XL250S trail bike. Now with these classics I'm not going to be starting them due to fuel situation. We try to keep these not full of modern fuel for obvious reasons. If you know, you know type of thing. So what exactly have I got for you? It's a 1979 Honda XL250S trail bike. Overall nice condition. You know, you could actually spend some time restoring it if you wanted to. It's had a recent engine rebuild and some other bits and bobs. We'll get to that in a minute. Let's start off with just a steady walk round, and then I'll go into some particulars with you about the bike. One thing I am just checking out is it down as historic on the V5 yet, or do we need to go to the post office? And of course I can't open the V5 to check. It's not down as historic yet. Sorry about that folks, I nearly lost you then for a second. Okay guys, so what have I got for you? Let's just have a steady walk round this bike, just so you know what we're dealing with, etc, etc. Like I say, 79 UK bike. We've got brand new front and rear tyres, so I don't even need to go into any more detail about that. Overall it's nice and clean. I'm going to say this is a usable classic. Bodywork could do with a bit of love, but engine wise it's all been done. And obviously we have had it started and run and stuff like that. So sorry, brand new rear tyre. Front tyre has possibly done a little tiny bit, but not too much. Obviously when we bought it we did have it running, but then we've taken the fuel out since then. So yeah, these videos are always going to be shorter than with the modern bikes folks. It looks like it's got a new chain, and rear sprocket doesn't look that old either, so definitely a new chain on there, as you can see. Bling bling gold. Paperwork wise, I've got quite a good number of invoices and stuff like that for the engine work, newspaper clippings about the bike and stuff like that. So I've got a bit of a, in fact I've got another invoice just here for £1,500. Total reconstruction of engine unit. I'll just go through a few of these bullet points here. We've got piston assembly. What else is on that one? I can see stator cover, flywheels, plugs, clutch cables, loads of stuff. Anyway, 1,500 quid for it, and that was done in 2020. So that's a full engine rebuild in 2020. So I've got a bit of a cheat sheet from the previous owner here, just telling me a little bit more about it. Recently owned by an enthusiast who sadly had to part with it due to ill health. It was rebuilt at Sapphire Motorcycles in Kendal, Cumbria in 2020. And like I say, new chain, new tyre. He's basically stating that the suspension is good and the gearbox is good, which it is. We've ridden the bike, so we're happy with that. So folks, that's the 1979 Honda XL250S in stock. If you've got the bike, we can offer nationwide or international delivery. Finance, I always struggle on off-road bikes, even though it's got a V5. I do struggle, but I can always try for you on the finance front. Yeah, if you've got any questions, give me a call, 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, if you want to come down and look at this bike, and I've got loads of this period of off-road bike, I must have at least a dozen, by all means, give me a shout. You know, but if you are travelling, always call ahead. I think the mileage there is showing about 8,000, but obviously, pinch of salt job on these classics. We can't guarantee that, obviously. But yeah, overall, a usable classic. Nice XL250 there for you folks. If you want to know a little bit more about the bike, there's a description below and also a link to the website where you'll find a load of photos of the bike in high definition, and you can have a bit of a zoom in and a close look if you want. Okay guys, I'm going to wrap this one up. Like I say, I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, tick that bell for notifications if you've enjoyed this, and yeah, hope to see you all very soon. And remember, if you're passing Doncaster, the kettle's always on, folks, and come and say hello. Cheers for watching, have a great day.